I'm not sure I just want to go to a website, which Tesla has, build the car, put a deposit down, and then wait for that car to show up, and then show up and pick it up.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is your boy EV Smoke ATX out of Austin, Texas. What up, my EV gang and everyone? Today I'm gonna make a video here because I've been noticing people make their mentions of when it comes to Tesla's delivery process. I'm going to speak on it because of my experience, and I know what it is. I just want to share my opinion on it as well. I'm gonna play a couple of videos, clips of a gentleman that kind of give you an example of what I'm talking about and where I'm coming from. So I'm gonna address it a little bit here, for like I say, from my experience and what I know, how it goes. So check this video out right quick, and I'll be right back. Peace.
Dealership that gets called out, learns a lesson, and gets a little bit better and a little bit better, because as I've shared before, I'm not looking to kill the dealership model. I don't want to go online and order a car and wait for it to show up and decide I hate it. I want to walk into a dealership because I'm in a great mood one day and I just decide I want a new car and I'm going to go out and do it, and I don't want to have to think and wait for 3 months. That waiting for a car for me is like excruciating pain. So I want to keep these dealers around. I just want them to change their behavior. Just to be able to do it, it's been so... I've had people, dealerships lie to me. I got one dealership try to tell me I should just lease a Scat Pack for $1,400 a month. The idiocy that we've all been dealing with, and some have succumbed to and actually ended up doing these bad deals, overpaying with markups, way overpaying with payments, leasing at enormous lease rates. I'm not sure I just want to go to a website, which Tesla has, build the car, put a deposit down, and then wait for that car to show up, and then show up and pick it up. I love the simplicity of it, but what I don't love is that I would like not make a deal that day. With Tesla, the price is the price. Now, they're dropping those prices, and if you bought one a week before they drop prices, you're probably upset. There's flaws in every...
Okay, as you can see from those clips right there, basically, gentlemen, and some people have been speaking about dealerships. Don't get me wrong, there's some good dealerships out there as well, but me personally, I like the experience of ordering my vehicle online, not have to worry with the markups and price changing and things like that. You can order it online, real easy and convenient to your configurations. Hey, you can even go to a Tesla service center, speak with an advisor and sit down. But also too, you can test drive the vehicles. It's no such thing as just ordering it online and not knowing what how I feel or anything like that. But you can do test demo drives, is what they call it on the website. Real easy and fun. Also, I'm gonna show you another little clip from back when I first tested a Model Y Performance to see if I liked it and if I wanted to, pursue with it and go on from there. And just see how it felt in my garage. I was able to take it home, bring it here, and test it out. So check this little clip out right quick as well, and I'll be right back. Peace. Big Papa right there. All right, as you can see from that clip right there, that was a Model Y performance a couple years ago. Like I said, I did a demo, was able to keep it overnight, bring it home, see how I feel in the garage, just get the feel of the car and things like that. So, of course, Tesla don't have a dealership, but like I said, they have the gallery and things like that in your local area. So check with that, but also do a demo drive, because once you do that, it kind of, you can actually feel the car if you never drove one before and see how fun they are, how excited they are, and just one of the best vehicles I ever owned. So also too, I'm gonna kind of do a little quick rundown on the website just to show you how easy it is to do it. So once again, hey, it is some good dealerships out there, but who don't like the ease of ordering a vehicle just like you do DoorDash or Uber Eats or anything like that? So and then your price is one set price, and you don't have to worry about it changing and things like that. Once you get your vehicle in. So check this out right quick, and we're gonna wrap it up. Peace. Of course, you go to Tesla.com. You can go ahead and click on order, custom order. They show you your tax credits they got going on, which is amazing right now. Some pretty good tax credits. We're gonna scroll down right up under here. They kind of give you an estimate delivery time frame. You type in your zip code. I'm having a hard time here. All right, once you put your zip code in, let's see, your rear wheel drive Y, your dual motors, all wheel drive, long range Y performance. You right here, it shows you your performance standards package there for the performance model. You can see the pictures here clearly. Also, then you choose the paint color you want to go with. We're gonna choose this red. This red look amazing. Then your wheels. The other options. And also right here, the interior. You got the I would say that white interior, which is lovely here. I'm gonna do all white interior. And then we getting down here to the autopilot. You can do the enhanced, or you can do the whole full-blown FSD, full self-driving package. You scroll on down. Then you come to your charger here. Tesla used to give you the mobile chargers with it, but now somehow they start charging. I don't know exactly what time they start doing that. But then you go up here, you continue, then you going over your design details, options. And click here, it gives you your breakdown, your potential savings. Here you get to see your cash options, lease options, or finance options. It kind of lets you know what your monthly payments and things like that would be. Like I said, I love to know my one set price and not have to worry about going to dealership. They trying to jack you up. And see, the only thing you pay today is $250 for this particular order. Then you go on down here, just that simple. Apple Pay it or credit card, just like you ordering food. Right here, real quick, we're going to show right quick the demo drive setup, real easy on the website. We schedule a demo drive. I see now it says 30-minute demo drive. They must have changed that over time, because the time I did, like I said, I was able to keep the car overnight. Someone must have, abused it or something, for them to change it. That's typically what happened. Someone mess up a good thing for everybody, but you give you about 30 minutes to demo. You choose what vehicle you want to demo here. We're going to choose that beautiful new Model 3. Just type in the correct, let's just say a correct zip code for my area. But yeah, somebody must have had messed it up, man. They doing 30 minutes now. But I'm pretty sure they'll work with you at your local area. Right here, they're showing you some locations in my area. So I'll just choose the one in the middle right here, which is the domain, which is the common one here in Austin. Then you choose your date. You want to demo it. And then your time as well. And of course, you're going to put your information in right here. And you're going to go all the way down and just simple as that.
So there you have it. Just like that. Real easy, fun to do, good experience. Hey, don't be fooled about people just throwing things out there and not getting a clear understanding on things. But hey, it's 2024 race season about to start up, and I can't wait till you guys to see Smoke out there doing this thing as well. On another note, but hey, like, share, subscribe to the channel if you don't mind, please. And I really thank you. If you got any questions, get at your boy. Holler at me. Thanks. Peace.
Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, please. And also hit that bell for notification. Thank you.